Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. So today I wanted to make a little bit more of a candid video, just talking a little bit about my journey here with this channel and tying that into my journey with Bitcoin. And I think just with both of those things, consistency is key. Stacking isn't about making one big purchase. Just like making content isn't about making one viral video. It's about just showing up every day. I just wanted to talk about the struggle of trying to stay consistent. It can be hard, but I think it's incredibly rewarding to have that one thing in your life where you decide to show up even when you don't necessarily feel like it, and even when you don't necessarily see the results of that right away. And I think it can be similar with Bitcoin. There's a lot of sideways movements and even dips, and it's hard to see those results right away, but we can see the long-term results. No one has ever held Bitcoin for a 4-year period and lost money. So I think that is an important reminder. With this channel, I think the reason I created it was just to help people along their journey, to help people to avoid the same mistakes that I did, like wasting too much time with altcoins, just wasting too much time to find that one big pump when I really should have just stayed focused on what I know works, which is Bitcoin, and I would own more Bitcoin today if I had just stuck to that simple accumulation strategy. So that's why I'm here and am passionate about spreading Bitcoin education. Bitcoin rewards time in the market, not timing the market. And I think the same is true for YouTube, business, fitness, whatever endeavor you may have in your life. The key to winning in any aspect of your life is just to show up every day, even when the results aren't there yet. So I think what keeps me motivated is knowing that if I can help just one person on their journey start stacking sats and just stay the course, I think this channel is worth it. So whether it's Bitcoin or content or any other goal in your life, consistency always wins. You might not see results overnight, but if you don't quit, you can't lose in the end. So drop a comment if you are dealing with anything similar right now. I'd love to have a conversation, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And as always, together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.